Welcome you all on my video about Google Classroom app, a very important tool for teaching learning process. Now I am trying to give you the details of Google Classroom app. This is one of the most useful app for all the teachers as well as the students, especially during this crisis period of COVID-19. Let me tell you how to download this app and use as a teaching learning tool. First you go to the Play Store. In your mobile you go to Play Store, then click it. In the Play Store you just type Google Classroom. When you type Google Classroom, now you can see the icon of Google Classroom. Okay, just tap it and install it. Tap it and install it. After installing, you can see the icon on your mobile screen like this. You can see the icon like this. Okay, now click this icon. See, when you click this icon, see, you can see a plus mark, Google Classroom with a plus mark you can see. See, I am already utilizing this. That's why here see class 8th, see class class 8th, class 7th, plus 2 biology. This already I am using this classroom. That's why it is coming like this. What you have to do is that, see here you can see a plus mark. Okay, this plus mark. Go to that plus mark. Go to that plus mark and click like this. There you can see two options. One is join class and another one is create class. See, what you have to do is that you have to click create class. When you click create class, you can see some of the guidelines like this. You accept by ticking that you accept it and continue. When you continue, they will ask for class name. That class name, if you are a science teacher, just type science. If you want to start a class for 9th, you just type 9. Then section, you can give A section, or if you are taking class for both the section, you just type AB. Then room, simply you give a room number. Say for example, I am giving you here 3. Then subject, in science you may be taking chemistry or you may be taking physics or biology. See, I am taking biology, so I am typing here biology. Okay, after that you press the option create at the top right corner, create, that you just press it. Now your classroom is created. See, science 9th, a classroom is created. Your classroom is science 9th AB. Okay, now your classroom is ready. See, now you go to the settings. See, settings. If you go to settings, you can see a password, a class code you can see here. Okay, this is the class code. This class code you can give to your students. Students will come to your classroom by using this class code. If you give this class code to the children can join in your class. Hope you understood. Now how can you use this? See, you can use this app for providing topics in the form of video, audio, or PDF, images, everything you can provide. See, if you want to give some classes, what you have to do? Go to classwork area. If you go to classwork area, you can see a plus mark like this. Okay, a plus mark you can see. You tick that, you press that plus mark. If you press, you can see assignment. See, you can see assignment here. You can see questions. You can see material. Okay, topic. All this you can see. And if you want to give some materials to your children, see, just press it, material. Okay, when you press the material, it is asking for the title of the material. If you want to provide cell structure and function, you just type it, cell structure and function. And here you can see an attachment link. Okay, this attachment link you can go, and if you have any material in your mobile or in your computer, you can just attach it. After attaching it, just here you can see an arrow mark. If you press in the arrow mark, this will be directly uploaded to your classroom, and the children can observe the classes by using the code which is already I showed you. This code you have to send to your children. And now your another task, if you want to give, say for example, you want to give some assignment, what you have to do? If you want to give assignment, press this plus mark, go to assignment. You can give assignment here. You can give the mark also for assignment. See the mark. Okay, 100 mark, 10 mark, like that you can give. You can give what assignment is. And you can give a due date here. A due date also can be given. Before that due date, the children have to submit. Okay. And what is the use of this? See, if the children are sending all the assignment in WhatsApp, our phone will be completely filled with these assignments. But here all the assignments you can see in this Google Classroom, and we can provide mark also for this. Okay, we can provide marks, and the children can see how much they scored for their assignments. We can even conduct a class test by using this Google Classroom app. So this app is very useful for the students. Okay, you can see now I created a class. See, these are my different classes. The recently created class you can see here. See, this is the recently created class. See here, science, 9th standard science. Okay, in this way you can utilize this classroom and help your children from your home. This is very useful app. Hope you understood about this app. This Google Classroom application is very useful for all the teachers. Let me show you one example. See, this is my Google Classroom. See here, let me take one example. See, this is my 7th science. See, in 7th science, see here, this is my area where I have given lot of classes. See, all these materials are provided by me. Okay, this is how, see all this material, video. See, this is the video of symbiosis which I have given to the children. Okay, they can play and see this video. Okay. And similarly, see the assignment I will show you. How I utilize this Google Classroom for providing assignment. See, assignment area, just see, I click the assignment area. In that I have given an assignment last time. See, the children have submitted the assignment, and I asked the children to submit the assignment, submission of assignment. Okay, this assignment area, if I click, we can see that how many children are submitted, how many children are not submitted. Okay. See here, out of 65 children, 13 children submitted the assignment, 44 children still have to submit, and one child already submitted but I did not check it. See here, you can see the marks which I have given to the children. See, marks. See, these are the marks which I have given to the children. See, some of the students got 8, 7 out of 5. See, like this the children can see the marks, and we can see the assignments in one platform. Okay, in one platform, and all these materials are stored in Google Drive, so that our phone area or our phone capacity will not be, storage facilities will not be utilized, and the children can immediately can see their marks also. Once we check it, immediately we can send back their marks in one click, so the children can see their marks immediately from their home itself. So in this way, this application is very useful. Hope you understood this video and useful applications, Google Classroom applications. Dear teachers, please all of you try to download it, and you can utilize it very useful way for the day-to-day teaching learning process, especially during this period of crisis. Hope you understood this, and hope you enjoyed this. If you really like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.